Okay. So what I did was I took the information that I needed off of my phone and I wrote everything down. So there's 2 different positions that we need to get the cams in to take measurements. The tricky part is going to be having to, unfortunately, move the cams independently because obviously the bike isn't timed properly, so we can't just rotate it and they're both going to line up with each other. So anyway, one fucking problem at a time. Before I went live, I tried using one of my small screwdrivers to rotate the cam sprocket independently, and I snapped the thing in half and sent the other half into my thumb. Yeah, really got in there. So I got some super glue on that bitch. I mean, I guess I could use it now, right? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, somebody call an ambulance just ahead of time. knowing myself. Yeah, we're not too far from a 911 call. That's pretty fucking close. That's good enough for me, all right? We all know this is not gonna run. All right, so we're at B position, measure tolerance, and the front is facing the table, so that's how it would sit in the bike, and then you'd be sitting on it like this. I've made a chart for each position, what cam lobe set we measure at that time. We've got our first position, which is B. Now we need to find our 3 bolts. I bet, bottom of the magnet tray. We got 2, baby. And the other one is on the other side of the garage where I threw it because I fucking flipped out the other night. Dude, what's the point of fucking gloves, bro? Look at this. Every fucking time. Dude, why, bro? Why? Why even wear them? Can somebody please make a pair of rubber gloves that doesn't just immediately fucking rip? Oh, God. Shit. I just had to throw it across the room, everybody. Why did I have to get that mad, huh? Why? Oh, guys, I found it. I found it. Woo! We did it. So that means we're good. We have everything. Cool beans. And then I gotta comb through our service manual and figure out our tolerances. I don't know. I'm not a answer the phone kind of guy. I hate doing this, but the old vice grips, baby. We're just chasing threads, everybody. Calm down. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Stop calling me, okay? Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you, whoever you are. If I did, I would have fucking answered, okay? Stop calling me. I bet this is exactly what happened to our bolt the other night. I was trying to get it seated, and we probably bottomed the thing out with all that shit in the bottom. I don't know, but I think it contributed. So let me try putting that bolt back in, and then we'll see. That's part of the reason too why I like trying so much shit on my own, because like every new task that you attempt, like you'll most likely need something, a tool or a piece of equipment or an extension or a special size socket, whatever, to do whatever task that you're doing. And then after that, you can add it to your arsenal, your literal toolbox of things, you know. The more stuff you can do on your own, the less you need to rely on other people. And that's my fucking life goal, apparently, is to not need anybody. Super healthy, right? Yeah, I know. We're in all the way. We're in, baby. So far, so good. So we have, that's not good. That is not good. So we're missing 3 bolts, apparently. Somebody better be fucking dying, okay? If I check my phone and somebody isn't in the fucking hospital, I'm coming for you, okay? Damn, bro. Jesus, leave me the fuck alone. Leave me the fuck alone. Somebody better be fucking dead on the side of the road. Hurt, sick, or dying. Whatever, there's a saying, I don't know. I don't want to fucking talk to you. God only knows how far these things are actually off, so that's what we're gonna find out here shortly. 3, okay. Oh, that's pretty good. So so the plan, just for those who haven't heard me, I'm gonna get the 2 best values, and I'm gonna mark those tappets. And then when I take everything apart, I'm gonna pull the tappets off and I'm gonna see what the shim is underneath. And then I'm gonna uniform everything according to what is underneath, which hopefully that makes sense. Maybe not. Grilled cheese or quesadillas? I know this is boring. So number 3 is pretty good. Or, well, the first one we're checking. The YouTube guy that I was listening to said it should feel like taking this thing out of like you close it in the middle of like a phone book, and it should feel kind of like that. Like you should be able to slip it in there and feel resistance, but not very much. 0.006, which is pretty good. But our highest that we can be is 0.007. So we're already kind of at the top end of that window. All right, so let's check the other ones, kind of see where we're at. Number 4. Okay. Oh, wow. I did not expect that. Those are pretty good. Maybe we just have too much of it. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing. That's the problem, everybody. That feels pretty good though. Yeah, those feel just about spot on. What I was pleasantly surprised about is that they felt uniform, like resistance-wise with the 0.006. So, because I want to be able to look at these later and know where to check the thickness of the shims. All right, so let's check our exhaust, and that's going to be the first 2 next to the sprockets right here. All right, where's my fucking feeler gauge? So I'm just gonna slip her in here. Ooh, not bad. Ooh, that one, we could try 0.8, but I think that one's no good. Like too much of a gap. Wait. I'm an idiot. I'm a fucking idiot. The tolerances are different. God. 0.007 to 0.11. 0.011. So there is going to be more of a gap. So let's start with 0.008. Where the fuck? My fucking feeler gauge from 1902. 0.008, okay. Ooh, yikes. That's pretty tight though. So if I don't find, because I'm not happy with this. I don't know about that. I think it's too tight because I'm barely getting the 0.008 in there. I don't know, man. I don't fucking know. God. All right, I'll mark the second one we've got here because I don't like that first one we measured. It's a little too tight. A little too tight for me. It's not usually a problem I've had, but these fucking paint markers, I swear to God. Come on. Finally, Jesus. Mark the journal, fuck it. There, fine. Okay, so now we've got a mess. We've got a fucking mess, everybody, and a hole in my thumb and a broken screwdriver. I feel like, oh. What can I say, everybody? I've got problems, but girl problems ain't one. Well, one day you guys will see me on the news for being spread across the road. I'm not gonna have kids, you know? So it's kind of, you gotta leave something behind, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, but it's fun to have you guys here. All right, well,